Next, we're going to do some wildcard queries, so we can close this window. I'm going to close this window and close this one. Let's pick on File, Open, File, and we have one that's called AN. Let's try a different one. Let's try all AN countries. Okay, so notice the wildcard character is the %sign. So in this case, it means I don't care what's before the letters AN, or I don't care what's after AN, as long as AN appears somewhere in the ship country. That's what that means. And also the order dates have to be between January 1st of the year 2000 and December 31st of the year 2000. So let's go ahead and run that one. So notice how we have Canada, right? There's an AN. Let's scroll down further. We have Finland, AN. France, Germany, Ireland, Poland, Switzerland, they all have AN in their names. And it didn't matter where it appeared as long as AN was somewhere in the names, as we can see. Let's try another example of a wildcard. Do File, Open, and we'll get File. And this one we're going to say AN next to the last character. Let's see what's going on with this one. This one has two wildcard symbols. The % means multiple characters, whereas the underscore, see the underscore over here, that just means one character. So what this means is I don't care what's before AN, but AN has to be the next to the last character. And then it doesn't matter what's after AN, but AN has to be the next to the last character. If I wanted AN to be the second character, then I would put underscore AN. So the underscore represents a single character wildcard. Let's go ahead and run that. Now notice how this time we don't have Canada. We only have the ones that have AN at the end. So we have Finland, Germany, Ireland, Poland, Switzerland. Notice how all of those have AN as the next to the last characters. And that's how we can use wildcards. The % is a multiple character wildcard, and the underscore is a single character wildcard.